Hello students, good morning. Today we will see the next theorem of our chapter triangle, that is Pythagoras theorem. For the last few years you were studying that what is Pythagoras theorem, always you are using its formula, but how to prove this formula, that we need to study here. The statement of the Pythagoras theorem is that for any right angle triangle, the square of its hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the square of remaining of its sides. It means square of AC will be equal to square of AB plus square of PC. So, in order to prove that one, I had drawn one figure ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now, we will try to prove it. What is given here, that ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. We will do, I will write from the to prove part, that we need to prove here square of AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. In order to prove this one, at first we will draw one construction, that one perpendicular line is coming from the B that will be perpendicular to AC. So I will write here construction. Since ABC is given, we can write M, P, Q, any name that will be for the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line. Let it be M. In the construction we will write BM is perpendicular to AC. Now for this one, we will use the similar property of the similar triangle, and for that one we will take one small triangle and the one whole big triangle. That means one triangle once I will take AMB and another one ABC, complete. One half and one full. Same way in the second case we will take another half and one full. Same type. So we will write here the proof that in triangle AMB and triangle ABC, now I have taken the half AMB, this small one, and the whole ABC, this big one. Then what I will get? Angle A is equal to angle A. That is for both. For a small triangle also A angle is there. For big triangle also A angle is there. So both angle is said as common. Now one more thing, for a small triangle angle M and for big triangle angle B, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle M I had drawn as a construction, and angle B is given in the question only that it is 90 degree. So there is two angles equal. So what we can write? Therefore, by angle similarity, what it will be? Triangle AMB is similar to triangle ABC. What triangle will be similar? If both triangle will be similar, then what we can write? Their ratio of their sides will be equal. And how we will write it? This implies first two. We will not write all the three, only two sides we will write. First two AM, then there also first two AM by AB will be equal to here we will take again first last AB by AC. You will say, sir, how you will know that we need to take only first two and first last? Just try to get this one AB. At first try to get AB square. How AB square it will come? Once AB should be in that denominator and another side AB should be in the numerator. Now do cross multiply. One more important thing for this theorem, that this name should be in the perfect manner. If it will be not in the perfect manner, then you are unable to get it. Now just do cross multiply. You will get AM into AC is equal to AB into AB. That means AB square. Let it be equation 1. So we are having equation 1 as AM into AC is equal to AB square. I will erase this one. That's why I am writing the equation 1 in side. This side I am writing it. AM into AC is equal to AB square. It was our equation 1. Again, this one I have taken the small triangle this side AMB. Now I will take the another side one. What I am having here, this side. Again, in triangle that one, CMB and triangle CBA. You will say, sir, why we are unable to take ABC? I have taken CMB and CBA just because that the common angle should be at the first. From this side, common angle was A. From that side, common angle was C. That's why the common angle I have taken first. Afterward, the second name that I have written for the 90 degree. For this small triangle, 90 degree will be M, and for the bigger triangle, 90 degree will be B. So, we will write angle C is equal to angle C, that is common, and angle M is equal to angle B, that is 90 degree. Therefore, by angle similarity, what it will be? Triangle CMB is similar to triangle CBA. We can write. Now, if it is equal, if it is similar, then the ratio of the side will be equal. Then what we will write? CM by CB, or this one also can be written as BC. CB and BC both having the same meaning, is equal to, from here, CB by CA. Always if you will write the name in such a way, then you are able to take first two and first last. Then only it will be quite good to understand and quite good to solve it. You will never be confused. Then we can write here, by cross multiply, CM into CA, or CA can be written as AC. AC is equal to CB, I will write it as BC, so that this form I will get. BC whole square. Now, let it be equation 2. Equation 1 I was having that one. Equation 2 is this one. Now, according to our proof, we need in the RHS AB square plus BC square. So what we will do? We will add both the equation. Adding 1 and 2. In the LHS different, RHS different. What we are having in LHS? AM into AC plus CM. I am adding here this side so that you will see it clearly. Adding 1 and 2. We are having AM into AC plus CM into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, from these two, AC is taken as common. Then what we are having? AM plus CM. This side, AB square plus BC square. Now, just see AM plus CM. On adding both the sides, it will become AC. AC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. On multiplying, we will get here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and hence it's our proof. This much only the Pythagoras. Next video we will understand the converse of Pythagoras. For today, this much only. Thank you.